part D. Okay, isomer with a stereocenter. In order, okay, for part B on the board, part C, cis trans, we also did that. Cis trans was here when I first draw them. Okay, we're now in part D. Stereocenter for R or S. What do you need to do to assign R or S? What's the first step? Rank the 4 group from 1 to 4 with priority, right? Which means, okay, step 1, rank the 4 from number 1 to number 4. Isn't this the step 1 you do for assign R or S, right? Okay, what if for my carbon, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I have number 1 and number 2 the same, can I still assign R or S? No, that answers here. This, they all bound to oxygen. You can not really rank 1 or 2 here. This is not going to be a stereocenter. I'll get that part clear, okay? Okay, in order to rank R or S, you need to at least have 4 different groups. Otherwise, it's not going to be a stereocenter. But we have a lot of them on the board. That's the carbon is bound to the same group, especially hydrogen. Okay, think about this. If I see this one, I don't care what is on the other side. You have 3 hydrogen. Can you assign? No, right? Are we cool with this? I just want to make sure when I go through this again, people get what I'm saying. If you see methyl, can this methyl group be a stereocenter? No, right? Okay. This one? Whatever. No. Okay, we have a lot. By the way, what's the other name of this here? Primary carbon. What's the other name of this one? Secondary. If on both ends is carbon, that's secondary, right? Okay. So that's tertiary carbon, by the way. Okay, can tertiary carbon be a stereocenter? It depends on if your C1, 2, 3 is the same or not. If they are the same, we still cannot really rank them from 1 to 3, right? Okay. Did people get it? It's also a review of what is primary, secondary, tertiary. Where did you use primary, secondary, tertiary rules? Halogenation. Oh, yeah, I like that, okay? Okay, what happened with, let's just don't treat this, you're on review, right? Anyway, you got to review this. Who will do primary, secondary, tertiary? If I do halogenation, will do which carbon?
Tertiary first.
Yeah, you are only going to do tertiary in Gen Chem. Okay? Are you cool with this? Okay. What's the condition for halogenation? Yeah, I know I'm going wild, but don't you like this? Yes. Okay. Bromine or chlorine with ultraviolet, so H mu for ultraviolet radiation. Are we cool with this? Okay. Do I need to write it down, or you think you're good? You're good. Okay. All right. Okay. Back to this. So I'm going to cross them out. Secondary. No, this is not going to be. I see hydrogen and the same group here. No. This one, passable. I'll leave it. This one, passable. I'm talking about here. Okay, that's passable. This one, not passable because here, CH3, same group on the other side, secondary, right? Okay, this one, passable here. If you show this one, okay, that's passable. This one not passable. All of here not passable, so I'll just cross out all of those. Here, all of those not passable. Okay, we pretty much only narrow down to the choice of one. This is passable if you write here, hydrogen, and here. Okay, who is this? Stereocenter. Okay. I know it's very faint on the board. Let me write it here. Okay. We narrow it down to this one. Okay. Why this one is passable? Okay. Here could be a stereocenter because this is CH3, oxygen. Okay, oxygen. So hard. Okay. So how do I rank? Hydrogen will be number 4. Oxygen will be number 1. This is a carbon bonding to oxygen will be number 2. This CH3 will be number 4. So you can assign here. Let's just assign this, by the way. So number 4 is already in the farthest away from you. So 1, 2, 3, this is going to be R. Okay, if I do the opposite way, one, 3, 2, 4. Okay, it's still going to be clockwise, but because your number 4 is wedged, looks hard, but it's actually going to be S. Are we with me? Okay, I see nodding, I see confusing face. Anything I can help?
Why is CH3 3 and carbon is 2?
Because this CH3 is bound to 1 carbon, 3 hydrogen.
Yeah.
This number 2 is bound to 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 1 oxygen. There's a hiding hydrogen. Make sense? You can ask. Which part you get confused? Yes.
Can you explain the numbering one more time?
Oh yeah, sure. Okay. Number 1 is oxygen. You're just confused with number 2 and 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 2 is bound with 3 hydrogen and 1 carbon. Number 3. Okay. This is actually going to be number 2. Okay, this one. Bound to oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, and carbon. Okay, let's do this. Hydrogen is the same. With the rest, okay, carbon is the same. With the rest, you have oxygen and carbon. It's going to win the other 2 hydrogen, if that works.
Yeah.
Whoops. Okay. Confused?
Wait, why is oxygen 1?
Atomic number.
So the heaviest is the...
So you go by atomic number. Okay.
But for number 2 over here, we're going to have 2 carbons, right?
Number 2, here you have 2 carbon, yes?
Yeah, so the 2 carbons is going to be heavier than oxygen?
No, oxygen here, carbon here. You compare which 4 group with the other one, right? Okay, this 4 is 3 hydrogen with 1 carbon. This one is 2 carbon, 1 oxygen with hydrogen. So that's why I was doing like, you wipe out this hydrogen, you wipe out 1 carbon. Okay, everything else, you have 1 oxygen and 1 carbon is going to win the other 2 hydrogen. Make sense? It's not adding them up, it's like whoever has a higher priority. Okay, this is also a good question. The one I wipe out, why this one is not? Because if you branch out, they have exactly the same group. It's exactly the case I was showing, okay? So this one, why this one you cannot assign? Okay, let's say you wedge out CH3. You can really not tell what's the difference between this is 1, because this is 2 hydrogen, and 2. This is also another 2 hydrogen. Did you get the same? Okay, if I'm going to do the same for 1, it's going to bond with a carbon with those hydrogen. Okay, whatever. Carbon. Okay. I messed up. Okay, let's just compare like this. Okay. This carbon number 1 is bond with hydrogen, hydrogen. Okay, they are bonded to the same thing, which is here. Carbon number 2 is bonded to hydrogen and hydrogen. Okay, they are also bonded to the same oxygen. Did you see? That's why you cannot really rank 1 or 2, whoever is higher, because they have exactly the same full group. That's why it's not going to be a chiral. Make sense? All right?
Yeah, we do understand this one.
Okay,
But for that one,
let me ask you,
uh,
if I change this one into carbon, then this is going to be number 1.
yeah,
Yeah?
yeah. The,
So here it's the same thing.
uh,
You have carbon number 3. They are all bound to the same, carbon number 2. They're all bound to the same. Okay, now the rest apart. One of them has 3 hydrogen. The other has oxygen, hydrogen, carbon.
yeah, why doesn't it has oxygen? You already have oxygen over there. We only have oxygen.
This one, right? Is bound to an oxygen. If that works? Is it clear?